Hey, so I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what comes in the box when you get the Artman vlog case for the GoPro 8. So that's what it's described as. Artman Hero 8 vlogging case. Okay, that's the official description. In the box, you will get this chassis. The reason I got this chassis is because it's got the external mic box holder built into it. So this is going to go on my chin bar mount on my motorcycle helmet, and instead of having the external mic box adhesed to the chin bar, it's going to be in this. The adhesive was coming off and it was causing me all kinds of problems, so I wanted to find a solution where I could put them both in the same piece. So this chassis should be the fix. When you put in the box, you get this chassis, you get the slide door that goes across the back to hold your GoPro in, and in this little baggie, you get a cold foot, which is cool. So you could put match a boom mic or a light or something on top of it if you wanted to. And you get a door. I assume this goes over a little tab on that. I'm not really sure how that's supposed to fit or where, because it doesn't really fit in there. Maybe it's if you got filters on or something. I don't know. Okay, so to put your GoPro in here, take your battery door off. And again, this is for the Hero 8 Black. This has a built-in battery door on it. There's a little slide switch right there. Flop that down. Put your camera in it. Okay. Close that back. It's got the port for the Type-C, so you can put your external mic plug in there. And then it's got this slide piece that slides across the back and clips in. And that's how it's gonna fit. It fits pretty snug. It's not like super tight, but I bet it doesn't move a 1/4 inch. So you have access to your buttons, and then the external mic box will slide in there, and then you can run the cord around the back of it and plug it in there. So it's pretty tidy. I think this is going to be a good solution. Just wanted to show you what it was real quick. So there you go. Peace.